Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a business website for free. So let's begin our video. You don't need to any kind of coding skill, you don't need to any kind of money, and you can easily make your own website. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open your browser. I just simply open my Chrome browser, then go to search bar and type Canva. Hit the enter button. Right now select www.canva.com. You obviously need to sign in this website with your Gmail or your Facebook account, and then go to search bar and type business website and then hit the enter button. Right now you can see a lot of templates are showing here, so you can select any template from here and then select customize this template. So right now guys, you can see there have almost 7 pages. You can edit every pages from here, so you can change this background photo, background theme, text, everything you can edit. So how can you do that? If you want to change this background photo, just go to upload section, select upload an image or video. You can upload your own background photo from your PC, just clicking on here. You can also add some elements. There you can see a lot of elements here that you can add to your website. You also change this text color by selecting on here. You can change it. You also change this theme, background color, everything you can change. How can you change this background color? Here you can see. So you can see it's changing automatically. Everything you can change after completely edit your website your own way. Just select preview to see your website how it look like. Right now you can see this is your final looking for your website, and here is the mobile preview, how your website look like in mobile phone. And after completely edit your website, just select publish website, and here you can see loading in this right side. You just need to wait. So here you can see there have two options, free domain and purchase domain. If you want to purchase it, just select it, or if you want to free, just select it and then select continue. And you just need to select your page website URL and type some description on here. After completely edit it, just select publish, and you just need to wait for complete it 100%. Wait until completing 100%. So here you can see it's loading day by day. So right now your website is live. You can copy your URL and you can send it to your friends or family members to see your website. That's it guys. I hope you can understand. In this way you can make your business website for free without any kind of coding skill. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.